Good morning students. My name is Hemlata Yadav and today I am going to teach you topic nutrition in plants. This topic is of class 7 science subject, and so this topic is starting in your book by an activity which is sprouts. So sprouts you might have heard and you might have tasted also sprout sometime in your breakfast. It is very nutritious breakfast. And how it is prepared? So if you take one bowl and you put some water in it, full of water, and you add some pulses in it or some seed like gram seed. And in pulse you can take moon beans. And if you soak these seeds in the bowl with water and then overnight you keep them as it is. So what you get in the morning is these seeds will bring out tiny structures out of them by absorbing this water. There is an activity which has started in these seeds, and they have given rise to new structures coming out of them, and these structures are known as sprouts. So this can also be converted into a baby plant. How you can do that? If you put some seeds, sprouted seeds, in the soil, and then you water them regularly for few days. So in the presence of day or sunlight, it is going to convert slowly into a small seedling, bringing out the roots, going in the soil, and curly leaves coming up with a straight stem. So why have this occurred? This occurred due to absorption of water and absorption of sunlight by the growing plant. And how it occurs? Because plant is a living organism. It is also doing its growth because of its nutrition. So nutrition is the taking the food by the plant. Plant also need food, as we as human also require food. We have few meals in our day. We eat breakfast, then when we do some work we have less energy and we feel hungry, then we go for the lunch. And when in the night we want to rest, we have a light dinner. So this is how we have our nutrition. And so in the same way, plants also do their nutrition. Now we will be able to define the nutrition. So the definition of nutrition is, it is the process of intake of food by the organism and its utilization by organism in order to survive and grow itself. This is nutrition. The experiment has done in 17th century by a Belgian scientist, Johannes Van Helmont. plant, and we can say he's put a seed in the soil and watered that plant, grew that plant for 5 years. And then after 5 years, this plant has increased in its width and has developed into a big strong tree. So it has increased in weight, increased in height and size. This is all due to the nutrition. So plants are also doing their nutrition. He has grown a willow tree. Now we will be discussing about 4 different modes of nutrition in plants. Number 1 is autotrophic. Here the plant is green in color because of its chlorophyll. So it is green in color, it is having roots, it is having leaves, and because of absorption of sunlight because of absorption of carbon dioxide from the air and water and minerals from the soil, it is able to grow itself. So this type of nutrition in which the plant is giving itself, doing nutrition for itself, it is known as autotrophic nutrition. It is also defined as using the simple substances like water and minerals, carbon dioxide and sunlight, preparing its own food. So this is self-feeding, self-nutrition. This is autotrophic. Now the second type of nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, this is shown in very lower plants. We can say this is mostly seen in decomposers. You might have seen some toadstools, some mushrooms growing in damp areas, on the forest floors and around some wet, moist areas. So these are decomposers. They generally derive their nutrition from dead matter. They have their mechanism by which they can release substances. They release decomposers release enzymes. Enzymes means digestive juices, digestive or breaking juices outside their body on the dead matter, and then when the dead matter is converted, due to this the dead matter is converted into simpler substance and it is absorbed by decomposers, and in this way the decomposers grow and decomposers get its nutrition. So this is also the mechanism of 85% of the recycling which is happening in the nature. Saprophytes are helpful in recycling the dead matter, and turning the nutrients again in the soil. Now, what is the other kind of nutrition? The third mode. This is symbiotic. So, in symbiotic nutrition, the two organisms live in close association with each other. And derive shared benefits. And the example of this is number 1, lichens. Lichens are the association of algae and fungus. Algae and fungi. And both algae, in this algae partner will do photosynthesis, will do autotrophic nutrition and prepare its food, and fungi will provide structural framework. Along with providing the structure or support, the fungi will also absorb, helping in absorption of minerals. Now, another example of symbiotic association is Rhizobium bacteria. It is nitrogen fixing bacteria. It lives in close association, inside leguminous roots, nodules of pulses and cereal crop plants. So this is the symbiotic nutrition. Now we will come to the last type of plant nutrition, which is insectivorous. Insectivorous nutrition is there in the plants, like those plants that are pale in color, and not have enough chlorophyll. Along with having special structures of modified leaves in shape of a pitcher like vessel with lid and a trap like structure. To trap the insects. So this type of nutrition is insectivorous type of nutrition. In this, the insect gets trapped into a pitcher-like leaf, and this leaf is also having a lid. As soon as the insect goes deep into the pitcher starts releasing digestive enzymes inside it. And slowly this insect is going to be digested, and from this insect the plant will be getting the nitrogenous or protein diet. These plants are generally grown in the areas in which the nitrogen and phosphorus content is low. So to get this type of nutrition, they have to digest the insects. So this is the insectivorous type of plant. Now one more type of plant nutrition is there, which is parasitic nutrition. In this, the plants are also pale in color. And have special structures, special sucker, roots and stem, called as haustoria. These may be spread as creeper on the host plant, on its host plant, and with haustorium the parasitic plant will absorb nutrition. So this haustoria help in the absorption of nutrition from the host plant. Example is dodder, also known as cuscata. So in this topic we have understood various modes of plant nutrition: parasitic, saprophytic, insectivorous, autotrophic and symbiotic type of nutrition. With this also we have understood the nutrition. There is one activity which is there about the saprophytic type of nutrition. This activity in the book, it is given that we should bring 3 plastic zipper bags, and in these plastic zipper bags we will be putting 1 bread in each of them, and then this bread we must sprinkle some water so that each plastic bag will become little wet and moisture is trapped inside this plastic zipper bag. Then we will be zipping it up, and then we have to put these 3 bags in 3 different conditions. One will be kept in dark, other will be refrigerated, and one will be kept in the sunlight. And we will check this after 3 days. So in one of this bag, a green like structure will be started to observe. We will be seeing a cottony mass over here, cotton like thick structure which is greenish in color on one bag. Can you tell me which bag it will be? Whether it will be in the first or second or third one? Yes, you are right. It will be in the first, which was kept in the dark. Because in there, it was exposed in the dark. It was having the normal room temperature and no sunlight was there to attack the growing fungus. So fungus which might be there in this zipper bag only, or it has come due from the air and it has invaded this moisture, it has taken the help of the moisture present. The spores of fungus has landed on this bread piece and has released digestive juices to digest this bread and absorb the nutrition, and absorbing the nutrition From this bread piece, it has done saprophytic type of nutrition. By releasing the digestive juice, it is able to spread itself. So with this, I hope you understand very good and you will be doing your studies well. Thank you.